Hello my loves, what's up, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be talking all about the law of attraction. I've made a couple videos about this before, so if you have not seen those, I will go ahead and link those videos in the description below in case you guys wanted to check those out. So the biggest question is, what is the law of attraction? What is the secret? So if you have not yet seen The Secret, I really recommend watching that or reading that book. I think it is super helpful. The secret is the law of attraction. But what is the law of attraction? Law of attraction is the science and the belief that you can have anything that you want in the whole world. Think about that. You can have whatever you want, whether it's your dream relationship or your dream car or your dream person, your dream house, your dream job, your dream income. You can have anything you want, but you have to believe it. Law of attraction is summed up by 3 basic principles: ask, believe, and receive. With the law of attraction, you ask the universe or God or whatever you want to call it, the energy field, what is something that you want. So say it's your dream job. You want to put that into the universe. You want to ask the universe, and you always want to ask and speak in present tense, not in future and not in past. It's very important that you act as if it's already yours. The biggest thing is to say things like, universe, I am so excited for this new job I know you're about to offer me. I know that it's going to be incredible. I am so excited for the financial freedom I'm going to have once I start working at this job. Another very helpful thing with asking is to have a clear visual in your mind of what it is that you want. So if what you want is your dream car, go test drive your dream car. If what you want is your dream house, find an image of that house, go find that house and go tour it. If it is a dream job that you want and you know where specifically you want to work, call them up and ask if you can take a tour. Going and walking and seeing, being able to visualize and feel the emotions you have attached to being with that thing that you want, whether it's a new job, a new car, a new house, whatever it may be, will speed up the process so much quicker because now you are able to envision it so clearly. Which goes on to the next part I'm going to say, which is be very clear and specific when you're asking the universe for something. You want to make sure that you're not just being super broad and saying, I want financial freedom. Financial freedom is very different for each person, so it is very helpful to be as specific as you can possibly be. Another thing is to never use negative words when you're asking the universe for something. Often people will say things like, I don't want to feel sick anymore. That's what I'm asking for. I don't want to be sick. I don't want to be in debt. I don't want to hate my job. The universe isn't hearing the I don't, it's just hearing sick, debt, hate my job. What happens is the universe works in a mysterious way. Your thoughts are measured. Your thoughts emit a frequency. So whenever you put out a thought like, I don't want to have debt, I don't want to be sick anymore, I don't want to have a toxic relationship, whatever it is that you're putting out, all the universe is hearing back is debt, sick, toxic relationship, and that is in turn what you will receive. So say it's that you don't want debt anymore. Instead of saying to the universe, I don't want to have debt anymore, say, I am so happy that I live in such abundance with my money. I am so happy that I have a surplus of money that I don't even have to check my bank account because I know it's gonna be there. I'm so happy that when I come home, I open the mail and it's a check, a nice big check with lots of zeros on it. If it's that you don't want to be sick, instead of saying to the universe, I don't want to be sick anymore, instead you could say, universe, I am so thankful that I am so healthy. I am so thankful that I feel strong and good. I did a whole video about how I healed my body with my mind using these tools, and I will link that in the description below as well for you guys to check out if you are interested. The second step to the law of attraction is to believe. This is so important, guys. I can't stress this enough. It is very important that you believe that whatever you are asking for will happen and is able to happen to you. So if you are asking for a new home, $1 million home that you just absolutely love and adore, but in your head you're thinking to yourself, well, that's never gonna happen. That's never gonna happen, guys. Your thoughts have frequencies. Your thoughts are going out into the universe. Think of yourself like a magnet. Whatever you put out, you are getting in return. So if you are sitting there and even though you might think that you want this house, but then you immediately follow it with, well, that's not possible for me. How could I afford $1 million home? I can't afford that. That's not practical. That is exactly what the universe will give to you, is that it's not practical. How could you afford $1 million home? And instead, if you twist that around and you start to flood your thoughts with beliefs of, that is my home. I have $1 million home. I easily afforded it. It was no sweat off my back. Then the universe will give you what you're asking for. The universe is here to give you what you want. The universe is here to bless you and please you and give you your dream life. You're not meant to live a sad life. You're not meant to live a life full of stress and worry and debt. You're meant to live a life full of happiness and gratitude and joy. When I say believing, you have to believe with unwavering faith. Of course, you're gonna have some negative thoughts come in there like, yeah, right, this is impossible. But whenever you hear those thoughts, acknowledge them and then disperse them. What I like to do personally is whenever I hear a doubtful thought, I like to say, you know what? I hear you. You're wrong. I am gonna do this. It is easy. I can buy this new home. Whatever it is. And as you believe it, you will start to see it. Another part of believing is going to be visualizing. So what you're going to want to do, which goes along with the first step as well, is visualize yourself in this job, in that car, in that house that you want to have, in that romantic relationship you want to receive. Believe it and envision it. Every single day when I was manifesting my healing, I would like to envision what it felt like and what it looked like for me to go rock climbing again. What it looked like for me to carry groceries in the house. What it felt like, what it looked like. And it really did help. If it's a new car that you want, close your eyes right now and envision what you look like driving it. Name your car if that's a thing you do. Already act as though it's already yours. Talk about it as if it's already yours. Believe with your whole heart and with unwavering faith that this is yours. And that's exactly what you will get in return. Step 3 of the law of attraction is to sit back and receive. I want to be pretty specific when I say this because I talked to people about the law of attraction before and this kind of got confusing. So people might think that just because you ask and you believe that you'll receive it without putting any work into it. With some things, I do believe that is true. But with other things, if it's not at the moment attainable for you, you might have to put some work into it. But it's not going to be horrible, miserable work that you don't enjoy doing. It should be easy. It should be fun. It should be exciting. This is working towards your goal and working towards your future. So if your future and your goal is to have your dream body, you can't just sit on the couch eating a bag of tortilla chips for 8 hours and then tell yourself that you're losing all this weight or you're gaining whatever you're choosing to do for your own body. You have to put in some work to it. But every time you go to the gym, even if it's just for 15 minutes, tell yourself, this is giving me my dream body. This is what I need to have the body that I desire. But sometimes you do have to put in the work. And then you're gonna just sit back and it'll all unfold right before your very eyes. You have to believe it. You have to ask, believe, and then receive. And when you receive it, be so grateful. Be grateful through the whole process. It's a huge part of the law of attraction. You need to be grateful the whole entire time. The more you're grateful, the faster the universe wants to deliver it to you. So whenever I'm asking, I always like to say, thank you so much for this. I am so excited. I know that it is mine, and I'm so grateful for the amount of joy and love this has brought into my life. As I'm believing, I like to say to myself, thank you so much for this. I love the way I look in this new car. I feel amazing. I am so grateful that my life has brought this to me. And as you receive, I like to say, thank you so much. You brought it to me, universe. You blessed me with this amazing, abundant life. And now it is my turn to give back to you. I like to always give back because the universe, again, you are a magnet. So whatever you put out, you receive. If you're putting out donations and gratitude and all this amazing feelings of love and happiness, that's exactly what you'll get back in your life. So that is the law of attraction summed up into a quick little video. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Again, I will link down below Secret and maybe some other resources that are really good for the law of attraction as well. My cat is licking his booty on my foot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is all I have, and I will see you guys next time. And remember to keep your vibes way high, and I will see you guys for my next video. Bye.